just... What are you doing? You trying to get my traumatized experience? This feels so wrong. Like, my 2 fingers and I'm just... This looks so wrong. I'm violating a baby chicken. They didn't even have no choice. Just put the baby chicken up for a sex slave. Like, that is crazy. Did they even give this chicken an option? Like, yo, do you want to be an egg producer that you make eggs, or do you want to be a sex slave and let people put their fingers all in you? They didn't even give them a choice. They ain't even give them a choice. Out here making chicken at 10 in the damn morning. So I don't even know how long this takes, but look at these insides, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. That looks crazy. Now we gotta stuff it with some peppers and some garlic, maybe some butter in here. Put a stick of butter, put a whole stick. I don't even know, man. Put that butt. See, violating. That's what I be talking about. Just violating. Making it clap, 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 clap. Somebody told you to keep recording me. Like, it's supposed to be like their pee-pee, but it's their neck, so you just gotta... We don't even eat the neck, but I don't even know why I'm seasoning it so good. He gonna eat the neck. We got the booty hole. Stop recording me violate this chicken. It doesn't feel right.
You proud of yourself?
Yeah, I'm being a cook. Look at me being a top tier mom. I ain't never had this in my life. We gonna edit that out the video, right? They don't need to know my trauma. They don't need to know my backstory. Y'all, my mom used to make rice and it used to be burnt. The whole thing. Like, you know how people like the burnt part of the pot? Everything was burnt. And it wasn't fair for me. She said, what is good?
You want to ask me what's wrong? Shit, where do I start, bro?
I like the burnt part. Did me and my brother like the burnt part? No. Did my couple months old like the burnt part? No. She also couldn't eat solids yet. But that's not the point. She was drinking that milk. That milk. That formula. That milk. She never get no breast milk. That's probably why she lacks brain cells like me. We strong out here. Oh, now Braylon got them good brain cells. You know, he got that breastfed in him. You know, and then it stopped a little bit, but it'll get better. Next baby, we got it. Side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive.
There, you chicken dick. We got her.
So we was looking at her butthole, right? And so like we eat her butt, but then why he say, okay, turn around and eat my butt now? He is crazy. A cameraman, y'all.
Accusations. So step by step.
First, you, y'all, karate chop it. I will have you demonstrate. No, don't hurt me. Don't hurt. What are you doing? Oh my God. He violated. He violated her. He tried to pull the peppers out her booty.
Stopped. Or he paused.
What are you actually doing? What are you doing?
Jesus Christ.
High five for two
We
hands.
about to head out to Target, Walmart, you know, regular things. We gonna catch all there. Ain't that right?
You see his little man bun. You see him? See him with his little show the side view, Braylon. Woo! Okay.
He's following the camera.
He got growth, that length. Okay.
Here, say bye bye.
Are you still recording? Say bye bye. Bye. You're just waving.
Alright, we about to show you how to finesse Target.
Shut up. Snitching.
Cheerio.
Just threw a Cheerio at me.
No, I littered.
Hey. Look, if we would have took my car, we would have been twinning.
That's how you.
Except for they don't got, you know, the mark on the car.
Loser.
See, even when our cars are not together, they're together.
Something like that. Bobbing out.
Alright.
That's what we're doing on Target.
Put your ski mask on, Braylon. It's gonna roll. Got it in your hands. It smells like cigarettes.
What up? Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Pretty good. So I'll get it here at Walmart. So I'll either get it here or at Walmart.
Probably cheaper at Walmart, but yeah. So it's probably cheaper at Walmart.
For the same brand?
Yeah, probably. You could check online on the app.
On the Target app?
And then on the Walmart app, and it'll tell you the price. Or even like the website.
Good fellas.
Hey, what's up?
Somebody I work with. But I guess not. I don't care that much.
Huh?
I said she sounded like somebody I work with.
Yes.
So it begins.
I have two barcodes. I'm not sure which one's the right one.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry.
Let me check the Target app right now.
Thank you.
Download it. I'm not wasting my time. I don't want to waste my time.
That might have been the wrong barcode. No, like I meant the wrong registry barcode. Because it gives me a new one every time I try to click return. So this might be the right one. Like it renews the barcode thing. I don't know if that makes sense.
Fire.
Damn, this shit's expensive.
That one works?
Yay, my training. Wait till Shredder gets back.
Yeah, no, they wild.
We'll have your friend from another store come train you. Now I have to wait for my new deal to come here.
See that place? Hell no.
Same thing. Please, you gotta wait any of these or any of these like, an issue either?
No. No,
Opened
we're-
them?
No, we just don't use them anymore. It was when we would breastfeed.
No, that's cheaper at
And
Walmart.
then this is where my mom.
Split it for?
About to get watermelon to be a nigga. Oh,
I'm saying that, but I still got more formula too.
we fucking got it. Oh, oh,
Kristen, why you got your hand out like somebody gonna hand you something?
Scammers United. Not me, not her. We don't condone scamming. We just return stuff.
That guy gonna get us caught because he always snitching. He always dry snitching. This is why you can't take people that's not from the hood anywhere. They don't know how to act.
I'm from the hood, technically.
Barely. You're from the suburbs.
Not the suburbs. In the slightest. The disrespect is crazy. Alright, let's put this kid in the car. Alright, y'all. Hope you enjoyed that little vlog. Catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you next time.